Well, the Iceman's mule is parked outside the bar, where a man with missing fingers plays a strange guitar, and the German dwarf dances with the butcher's son. Tonight a little rain never hurt no one. Oh, they're dancing on the roof and the ceiling's coming down, and I sleep with my shovel and my leather gloves, and a little trouble makes it worth the going. Tonight a little rain never hurt no one. Oh, the world is round, so I'll go around. You must risk something that matters. Oh, my hands are strong, I take any man here. If it's worth the going, it's worth the ride. And she was 15 years old, and she'd never seen the ocean. And she climbed into a van with a vagabond, and the last thing she said was, I love